Now the next topic is corrected mean. Corrected mean, that means in this case, first of all, few things will be given to us in the question. They will give you incorrect mean. Because why we will get this incorrect mean? Because of the misprinting or maybe because of any mistake, we will calculate the mean as a wrong number. So you will get an incorrect mean in the question. Number of items also you will get in the question. Then incorrect item, because of this incorrect item only we got the incorrect mean, and after that some corrected value will also be given to you in the question. So these four values will be given to you in the question. Sometimes two incorrect values, two correct values also can be given. It depends upon the question. So first of all, whatever the values will be given to you in the question, first we have to write it at the one place. Now your steps. First step, what we will do, our first step is summation x equals, mean formula is summation x upon n, right? Now this value is given to us incorrect, this one is your incorrect. Okay? So now whatever the incorrect value will be given to you, put over here number of items, because these two things will be given to us in the question, incorrect mean and n, incorrect mean and n. So when you will cross multiply, that means incorrect mean multiplied by number of items, you will get summation x. But because of the incorrect mean is multiplied with the number of items, so when we will get this summation x, so this summation x will also be incorrect because we are using the incorrect mean. So summation x is automatically incorrect. So now first we will get this value. After that your second step should be, now we have to calculate correct summation x. So we have to use this incorrect summation x minus incorrect value. This incorrect item, whatever the incorrect value will be given to you, that you have to deduct it, and correct item if it is given, so add the correct item. If two incorrect item will be given, so 2 times you minus it, like incorrect item 2 and 10 is given, so minus 2 minus 10, and correct item is given 12 and 1, so plus 12 plus 1. So whatever the number of incorrect or correct items are given to you, just put it over here. Okay, so second step is whatever the incorrect summation x we have got it from the first step, now we have to correct it. So how we will get the correct summation x? First we will put the value of the incorrect summation x, what we have got in the first step, minus incorrect value plus correct value, item value, whatever you want to write. So after doing this calculation, you will get the correct summation x. So now your third step is to calculate mean. Now instead of, because what is our formula, summation x upon n, but here we will keep the value of correct summation x. जो आपका यहाँ से आंसर आएगा, that same answer you have to put it over here, and number of items already given to you in the question. So then after solving this thing, you will get the correct mean. Now let's solve the one numerical. You will get it. Now read the question. The mean salary paid to 1000 employees of a factory was found to be rupees 180.4. ठीक है, mean salary paid to 1000 employees, that means number of items are 1000 and the mean is 180.4. Later on it was discovered that the wages of the two employees were wrongly taken as 297 and 165. These two are incorrect values. Instead of 197 and 185, these two are the correct values. So what is given to you in the question? N is given to us, wrong mean is given to us, incorrect values 2 are given, and correct values 2 also given. Now we will put it in the formula. First of all, let's write what is given to you in the question. Incorrect mean was given. Incorrect mean was 180.4 was given to us. Then number of items was also given to us, 1000 employees. Incorrect items was 297 and 165, and the correct items was 197 and 185. So now, according to the procedure, your first step is incorrect mean equals to summation x upon n. So I will use the same thing because we have got incorrect mean in the question. So now we have to use this thing. This is given to us, that is 180.4 equals to summation x is not given. Number of items given 1000. So we will put the value 1000. If you will cross multiply this thing, so you will get summation x as a 1,80,400. Now this is your summation x. But whatever the summation x we have got, that is incorrect. Reason behind, we are using the incorrect mean value. So after this first step, your second step should be to calculate correct summation x. How we will get? Incorrect summation x minus incorrect values plus correct values. So incorrect summation x is 1,80,400. Incorrect values 297, 165. 297 minus 165. And what are the correct values? 197 plus 185. Now we have to solve this thing, and after solving this thing we will get the value 1,80,320. Now this is your correct summation x. So now we can calculate the correct mean, because now we have all the values which is corrected. Now correct mean we can calculate. How? Correct summation x upon n. And what is the correct summation x? 1,80,320 upon n was given to us in the question 1000. So 1000, and your answer will be 180.32. And earlier what was the incorrect mean was given to you? 180.4, but the correct one is 180.32. So this is your last topic, that is the corrected mean.